we learn activity 4. Find eco-friendly words. Do you know what are eco-friendly words? It means not harmful to the environment. जो environment के लिए harmful नहीं होता है वैसा. I give example. Recycled. It means convert waste into reusable materials. जो वेस्ट होता है उसको यूज़ हो सके वैसे मटेरियल्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेपर. अदर वर्ड इज रिन्यूएबल. A source of energy that not decrease by use. जो सोर्स है एनर्जी का वो यूज़ करते हैं फिर भी डिक्रीज नहीं होता है, कम नहीं होता है वैसा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल विंड, सोलर एनर्जी. राइट. नाउ फाइंड आउट more other words from dictionary and write down in text. Now we learn paragraph of activity 4, the fading glory of the earth. Before discuss this paragraph, I want to explain some hard words. Here we have word attempt. It means try करना, right? प्रयत्न करना. Then other word is depleting. Depleting means कम हो जाना. When we use something, it is depleting, right? Then next word is memorable. It means यादगार, जो हमारे लिए अनफॉरगेटेबल होती है वैसी. Other word is conference, a formal meeting for discussion, right? Next word is attended. It means be present. We can say that I attended your marriage, right? Then we have word preserve. Preserve means protect, बचाना, सेव करना, right? Other word is awareness. It means realization, giving knowledge about something, right? Realize करना. Then next word is support, to help, right? हेल्प करना, सपोर्ट करना. ओके. नाउ आई एक्सप्लेन दिस पैराग्राफ. द फेडिंग ग्लोरी ऑफ द अर्थ. द अर्थ डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 22 अप्रैल. अर्थ डे 22 अप्रैल के दिन मनाते हैं, राइट? It was one of the first attempts to make people aware of the Earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution level. यह अर्थ के कम होते रिसोर्सेज और बढ़ते पॉल्यूशन के बारे में सबको अवेयर करने का फर्स्ट ट्राई था. द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द अर्थ डे इन 1992 was made memorable by an international conference held in Brazil. In 1992 में अर्थ डे का प्रोग्राम ब्राज़ील में आयोजित था और वो एक इंटरनेशनल सम्मेलन द्वारा यादगार बन गया था. The leaders of many countries attended this event and it led to a new movement to preserve the earth's resources in both big and small ways. कई देशों के लीडर्स ने इस प्रोग्राम में भाग लिया और इसमें बड़े और छोटे दोनों तरीक़ों से पृथ्वी के रिसोर्सेज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एक नया आंदोलन चलाया। People across the world take up a number of activities like tree plantation, awareness camps on environment-related topics, pollution reduction camps and many more. पूरे वर्ल्ड के लोगों ने ट्री प्लांटेशन, अवेयरनेस कैंप फॉर एनवायरनमेंट, पॉल्यूशन डिक्रीजिंग कैंप और कई तरह की एक्टिविटी की। So we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for people around the globe to support the environmental protection movement. So हम कह सकते हैं कि वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे मनाना दुनिया भर के लोगों के लिए एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करना और समर्थन करने का टाइम है। Let us learn Activity 5. What will you do to conserve and protect our earth? It means हमारी अर्थ को बचाने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो, right? Observe the following table and tick the desirable option. आपको जो अच्छा लगे वो आंसर को टिक करना है and mention how you would contribute to better earth, better we movement and also give the answer how you can contribute the movement. Which movement? अर्थ बेटर है तो हम बेटर है, उसमें कैसे कर सकते हो, राइट? फर्स्ट, सेव वाटर, यस या नो? इफ यस, what will you do to save water? I think you can say turn off the taps, right? In second, take shorter bath. I think all the children are taking bath, their favorite activity, right? But whenever you take bath, please take shorter bath. Do not waste water, right? Don't use more water for washing clothes, vegetables, etc. And also reuse water of washing clothes in a toilets, right? Second, save trees. Yes या no? If you yes, what will you do to save trees? अगर आप सेव करना चाहते हैं ट्रीज़ को तो आप क्या करोगे? I think you can say plant a tree, right? But it is a difficult activity for you. You can also say that don't waste paper because we waste paper, we can't save trees, right? Because paper are made of wood, right? Then don't cut trees, okay? Third, save animals and birds. Yes या no? If you yes, what will you do to save them? I think you can say nothing, right? Because we have so many, not so many birds and animals around us, but you can do only one thing, giving water, food and shelter, right? And you also can protect them from accident and don't harm and tease them, okay? Let us do activity 6. Observe the following pictures and relate the sentences to the pictures respectively. Justify your selection of the sentence and its relation to the picture in groups. It means observe the pictures and sentences and identify which sentence is related to which picture. Now look the sentences and pictures, right? First, save water, save life. पानी बचाओ, जिंदगी बचाओ. I think it is related to first picture. In this picture, we can see the tap is running on, right? Second, don't litter, it will make your life bitter. It means कूड़े मत करो, यह आपके जीवन को कड़वा कर देगा. It looks like second picture, right? Because in this picture, the man keeping waste in a dustbin, right? Third, नर्चर नेचर, नेचर का पोषण करो. It is also related to third picture because if we nurture nature, it looks beautiful, right? Fourth, plant a tree so that the next generation can get air freely. पेड़ लगाओ ताकि अगली पीढ़ी को फ्री में हवा मिल सके, right? It is related to fourth picture. In this picture, we can see cut down of tree, right? If we cutting down the trees, we can't get free air. Okay.